Article 9 is not honest.
Japan's constitution debate is heating up now. Shigeru Ishiba says Article 9 is not honest and should change. Some people want stronger defense, others fear war and protest in cities like Osaka.
Do you think Japan needs stronger defense?
I'm not sure. I'm worrying about war. The government led by Sanae Koichi also supports change.
3 people died on a cruise ship.
A cruise ship called Hondius reported a possible hantavirus outbreak during a trip across the Atlantic Ocean. WHO said 3 passengers died and 1 British man tested positive for the virus.
Your study abroad is cancelled.
Many Chinese universities are stopping exchange programs with Japan. Some students say politics is changing their future.
1 student even cried after losing her chance to study law in Tokyo.
She said, "I worked so hard for this opportunity." Chinese schools say there are safety concerns in Japan, but many students still want to study there.
Did a new fight start in the Strait of Hormuz?
Iran said there were explosions near Hormuz and Tehran. The US military said Iran attacked American ships with missiles and drones. The US answered with self-defense strikes. Iran said America broke the ceasefire first.
So, is the ceasefire over?
Trump says no, but the fighting looks very dangerous. Trump also warned Iran to accept a new deal quickly.
Wait, the safety rope is coming off.
A woman in Sichuan, China, warned the staff before a bungee jump, but the jump continued anyway. Seconds later, the safety rope came loose, and she fell from a 168-meter cliff. She later died in the hospital.
She kept warning them.
Yes, now many people are asking why nobody stopped the jump. The park is now closed for inspection. Inspection.
点検
The government started an inspection after the accident. Outbreak.
集団感染
A virus outbreak happened on the cruise ship. Safety check.
安全点検
The park closed for a safety check. Politics.
政治
Many students talked about politics online. Investigate.
調査する
Police will investigate the cause of the explosion.